click one. See it tatted on my right arm. Catch me on the web at click1music.com. And I ain't getting too much radio play. They don't like it when I cuss, man, the radio's gay. But still the streets showing nigga hella support. They want my autograph and I ain't even ballin' on courts. And I ain't even got my mug in the source. But a couple motherfuckers, all they wanna see a thug and a corpse. And of course, me and my nigga Metal doing our thing. Romero born plus the hustle, now we stepping up game. It's not a game.